Mustang's heart, but I did choke a lot of times on that one. So all right, I think I should be working on the hard FC now. That's good. That's good.